Reverse supply chain. One. Reverse supply chain refers to the process of managing the flow of products or materials from the customer back to the manufacturer or retailer. 2. It involves activities such as product returns, repairs, recycling, refurbishment, and disposal. 3. Reverse supply chain aims to optimize the recovery of value from return or end-of-life products. 4. It helps reduce waste, minimize environmental impact, and maximize the reuse or resale of products. 5. Reverse logistics is a key component of the reverse supply chain, involving the transportation, sorting, and handling of returned goods. 6. Product recalls and warranty claims are common drivers for the reverse supply chain. 7. Reverse supply chain management focuses on efficiently processing returned products, managing inventory, and minimizing costs. 8. It involves assessing the condition of returned products, determining the appropriate disposition, e.g., repair, resale, recycling, and making decisions on the most cost-effective approach. 9. Remanufacturing is an important aspect of the reverse supply chain, involving the restoration of returned products to a like-new condition for resale. 10. Effective reverse supply chain management can help recover value from unsold or returned inventory and reduce the financial impact of product returns. 11. Reverse supply chain also involves managing the disposal of products or materials that cannot be repaired or reused. 12. Technologies like barcode scanning, RFID, and tracking systems play a crucial role in tracking and managing returned products in the reverse supply chain. 13. Collaborating with partners, such as logistics providers, recycling centers, and refurbishment facilities, is important for the effective implementation of the reverse supply chain. 14. Reverse supply chain management contributes to sustainable business practices by reducing waste, conserving resources, and promoting circular economy principles.